almost there to Lake Tyler. Looks like it's a paved road here, and we're less than 1 mile away from Lake Tyler Campground. This is site number 4. Houses here. There's even one.
At the end of the road, turn left. Turn left, East Side Road.
Still 1.4 miles. This time,
After 1/4 mile,
quarter mile
you have reached your destination on your left.
on the left. Nice paved area. We are almost at the campground. How come? Let's see. Oh, maybe this one is the entrance.
You have reached your destination on your left.
Oh, here we are. Each side recreation area. There's a lot of bumpers, so we probably just have to choose where you want to camp. It's a Saturday. That's probably why there's a lot more people here. Wow, it's full. This is the turnaround. So the campground is probably up there at the top. Fishing. So I guess this one is full. Better camp either on this side or on the near the entrance. Wow, it's full. It's the weekend. We need to find a good campground. There's trash service. Hello. It's a rainy day here in Lake Tyler. You can see on this side it's like private property, and then this side on our side it's a campground. So there are campers there on that side, and that's the That's the entrance road. And on that side is where the lake. I'm guessing that's Lake Tyler down there. And there were a lot of campers down there yesterday, last night. And a lot of visitors. Yesterday that parking lot there was full down there. And then today it's empty. It's already Sunday. They're probably getting ready to go back to school tomorrow. It must have been spring break here. And in this campsite I chose, there was I don't know, you can see it, there was a firing there, or somebody just made like a for a campfire, but I didn't use it last night because mosquitoes started to show up already here. But that's the update for today. Here's the entrance and my neighbors coming towards the lake. And my trash can. When we first got here Saturday night, it was full of cars and a lot of people were here. Today is Monday, maybe it's the start of the school after the spring break. That's probably why they're all gone. But it looks like a good place to fish. I saw somebody fishing here, and they built like retaining wall here. There's a gazebo on the other side. Maybe that's private. Because there's a, you can see like a house there. Oh, flying bird. Then no campfires within the 20 feet of retaining wall. So this is like man-made wall. Table, so you can just park here and then you can camp using tents here inside this area. So they put the retaining wall to preserve this part, or else this will be my camera didn't switch off. You can camp here, you can bring your tent. And I think when I woke up this morning, it's like 46 degrees. It's cold. Yesterday it was raining, and this will be a good place to fish. And then the private property at that wall on the other side, and they have their own private water jetty. It's cool. And you can camp here for free. I don't remember if it's 14 days. It must be 14 days or 7 days. I'm not sure. I have to check the website. But it was full here Saturday night. There were people camping here on the tent, and there were like cars parked up to there. Then so this is Lake Tyler. Just to let you know, Lake Tyler. They left some trash. These people, they didn't pick up after themselves. There's trash cans everywhere. They even left their trash bags there. They didn't even put them inside the cans. And then you can go down here, some steps. So I believe if you want to swim, you can go down here and swim. Or you can launch your kayak from down here probably. spot. Steps. You can actually go down close to the water. So, and then maybe you can also fish from here. Very cool. You can go over here. You can go to the water. Come out. So there's that's the top of the hill and it's going down, so you cannot see my car. But, see the sign, it just says no campfires within 20 feet of retaining walls. So you have to be away from them. So they built firing here, firing there. Some picnic tables. And some of the trucks they park right there. You have 4x4 or a powerful vehicle that can climb up that hill, then you can do it. But the paved road is on the left side. So you can also camp here if you want, I think. I could have brought my car here, maybe. Do an overlander style camping, but I just camp over there. Because last time when they were camp here, they had their stereo blaring until 9:30 in the evening. So I thought people will come here again, they will be making noise, and then there's a private house. But the thing is, since I'm closer to the road, I got better cell phone signal up there. Maybe if I go down here, I will not have any signal, but this is very nice. Check the signal. And there's my camper. You can see it. Let's walk towards my camper. Looks very far from the camera. My neighbors. There's still raindrops that were stuck to the trees. They're still dropping. It's like raining here in the forest. Also camp on this side. There's like somebody built some kind of a campfire ring. There I am. My neighbors still near the entrance. It's still cold. Going back in the camper. Okay, that's a quick tour of the Lake Tyler Campground. So I would like to thank you for visiting, watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Fun or Not. And for those who have subscribed, thanks for supporting me by watching my videos and sharing my videos to others. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.